Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Do While Code. Here we are learning the new technology, new trends, what is running into the market. And today we are with one new concept, which is a AI agent. I hope you guys are already aware about with the AI. If not, then I will be putting some videos on that one. But right now, today, since I was also doing some experiment and all, I thought it like first go with the AI agent, then I'll be explaining it that because regarding the AI, you can find it over the internet everywhere. It is very flooded with that knowledge. So today we are going with the AI agent, and the agent is like you have somebody to work on behalf of you. Correct. So today's example, we are going to do a document analyze. For example, if you have a document and if you want to do analyze something, what is a summary of that one, it will take time for you. So let that work to be done by somebody else, where the agent comes. And if you are going to do it with the technology, then basically it's a AI, artificially AI agent. So how it is working, what framework, what technology we have used it, let me write it down. So we are just using the JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript, nothing else. Vanilla JavaScript, pardon for the spelling. Then Node.js, and I am using the Express.js, and for server side. And then we have the Ollama as an framework to run the LLM. Then I have a LLM Llama 3, which is a latest one. Right now, the for some more version also come like 3.2, maybe more than that one. Correct. So if I go over here, let me Ollama .com. Correct. So this is the Ollama website. You can go it over here and you can download it simply in your system. Once you download it, you will be see Ollama like this application. Correct. Right now I'm not running it because it's already running in a runnable state right now. Then you can download the LLMs. There's the sorry, they are the command. Let me show you that command as well. So if I go it over here, okay. So here's the command Ollama. Once you have installed it, it's very easy. Once you installed it, you sorry, Ollama. Okay. Once you installed it, you will be able to run this command Ollama. You can see Ollama list. You will be able to see what are the models are available there. Correct. You can also go to the run the deep sea. Llama 3.3 is the latest, and Queen is there. Queen 2.5, Gamma is there. Correct. So I mean, for these one you can go easily. They are the models. Basically you can choose your model whichever you like, embedding vision, tools like related to thinking. Correct. So I just took the llama 2 or 3, llama 3 only, because it was at that moment it was latest, and now I'm recording some later this video. Correct. So you can go with the Ollama, this website again, you can install it. Then we have the Ollama PS. If Ollama, sorry, I'm writing the wrong mistake, wrong spellings. So right now it is not running any uh, this, what we'll say, the model in this one. And if you put the Ollama poll and then give the name of the model, then it will install and it will basically pull it like a Docker image into your, but it's not right now a Docker, it will pull it from over here. So I hope you have heard about the Docker. I'll make a video separately, but Docker is some repository over the internet. Correct. And people do upload the Docker images there. That's a separate thing. I'm not going there. Correct. So it's a Ollama. Let me go back to our thing. So these are the things only I'm just using. And here is a example is, we are going to use the example which is a document analyzer, description, uh, analyze the document, and give the summary and like key items from it, or you can ask the questions as well from the document. But in today's demo I'm going to show you the summary. It's all implemented. I'll upload the code there and you can find it on my repository, like I'll update in the description box. So without wasting time, let's go to the application. So first I'll show you the application, then I'll tell you how it is working. I'll also do a live practical example to you. So this is my application. I will drag my document over here. I drag my document over here, correct? And then it will process. Right now, I have done it just before recording this video because it takes little time, and I have a very not that much RAM, or my configuration it is quite low. So therefore, I just ran it and recording the video. And once I'll go through this one, I'll do it again for you in the video, correct? So I upload the document over here and I click on the summarize button. Then the request, basically this is my code. A request is sent via the um, this event handler, which is a button from on summarize. And from on summarize button, if you see, let me go over here on summarize. Okay, on summarize, there is a handle analysis. So you can see we are passing the parameter which kind of the action is happening, like handle analysis. And the action we have mentioned it, like what kind of action is it. So inside the handle analysis with action. So I think yeah, you can see inside the handle analysis with action summarize, correct? This is matching, right? And then we are checking as document. Then we are showing the loader in front of the application over here, correct? Then there is a document handler analyzer one. This is a separate JS, and if I am passing the my action over a analyze document. Under this one we have by default analyze, but right now we are doing the summarize, so the parameter summarize over here. I'm preparing the like JSON payload over here to send it to Llama. Before that one, I'll tell you. Okay, not right now over here. Let me come to that one. So I'm telling like console payload for LLM. So this is inside my document handler. I hope it is be inside the document analyzer, analyze document, and payload for the LLM. So you can see payload for the LLM. You can see text. I have given the text, and action is summarize. Okay. Then from over here, if you see, I am sending a fetch request to analyze API to my API. So if you see over here, I have, this is my folder structure. Over here I have server, which is basically an Express.js, correct, and running on the 3000 port. And over here at the end, you can see it is a local host. It is running over here, correct. Then in this one, when I send the analyze request to my Express.js, so let's go there. There is a API post analyze. Under this one, I am extracting the from the body, like what is a text, what is an action. So we have a summarize action. I am giving this system prompt, basically please provide a concise summary of the following text. And text is the one which we have pushed it, this text, right? This text, it is a small one, but it's a huge text. We have already put it over here, correct? And then this prompt is going to, I'm going to send it. Basically, earlier I was doing the streaming, but I use the JSON format now. So sending request to LLM, I went to inside it. Here the actual thing. So before that one, let me go over here and show you my LLM is working. 127.0.0.1 colon 11434. If I hit, Ollama is running. So it means Ollama is running. Ollama will be listening to this one, and it will be running, and it will take my request. Okay, so before that one, I can show you. So when my request went there, you can see just now. Let me show you. Let me show you the thing. Let me put it the side, this side. So if I hit it again, you can see 200 request appear. If I refresh it again, you can see I'm refreshing, and it is a request it is receiving by the Ollama, and it is returning me the response, correct? Okay, now I prepare it Ollama API over here. This is a basically default one. You can find it on the documents as well. So it is running on this local host, and ideally, when if you put the local host, it was not running. So I put the IP 127.0.0.1. Port number is the 11434/API, and there is a generate API. If you go to the this LLM Llama, how would I show you? Llama 3. So if I run it over here, Llama 3 API, if I put it, you you can see there's a lot of things are coming. Meta introducing the Llama 3 API. So you would be able to see somewhere the generate will be there. I would need to check Meta AI. Basically, Llama is one more thing before that one. Llama is basically a model of Facebook, which is now Meta. Correct. So we are using the Meta Llama 3 API. Okay, I'll tell you later in like what are the APIs to it. But for now, if we go to the code, there's a generate API, and I'm passing the parameter. What is the model? Llama 3 prompt, which we have included over here in from over here. If you see from over here, this is my prompt. Please provide a concise summary of the following text, and text is this one, right? And then it went over here. Prompt, I put it a stream as a fall. By default it remains true, and I given the format as a JSON, so I need a JSON format. Correct. Then it takes time. When it click over here, you will see the magic over here. Once I'll show you. So it reaches over here, and once it is finished, you can see uh, like this is a 200 list. But if you see, look, this is all computation it did. So this was the previous 200 requests. After that, when I would have click on that button, it would have sent the request to Llama. You can see it started the processing. So if I maximize it, you can see it over here. It is like saying like memory required this one, and I mean lot of things are there. Even I didn't go it right now, but later I'll make a separate video of what all these things mean. This is a very I mean good info, but could be a very required info for a different type of application logging, like Risha, because it's an agent need to be run all the time. If it an exception comes, it needs to be get awake automatically, should not be crashed like that. Correct. So load it runner one, and waiting for Llama runner to start responding, waiting for server to become available. Status Llama server error, like something it is coming, and then it is again running. It's doing its computation. Llama model loader, like that. Okay. Finally, when it goes, it basically reached there. It give me the response. So this was the last response, which was very good. Okay, I'll come on that one. Correct. So once it is completed, it give me the response into the data. Then it comes back from this method. We go over here, and I'm just getting the data again back, and from the prompt, and I'm getting the response for this section. The response is this, and then when I'm coming back, you can see okay, from over here document analyzer, I received it over here, and further if you see, then this is coming response from analyze document. So response from analyze document, I put it over here. You can see the Llama response, LLM response, which I given the property, and it is giving the as a simple text. I did not do anything. It provided my summary, and I pasted over here. So this way you would have seen it. Like let me take it to over here, MS Paint. So what we did basically, we have the application, correct? Then we had the, okay, we had the application. Then we have our LLM running, correct? So where's the text? Okay, LLM. Sorry, it's a Ollama. Ollama. Let me put it over here, and then we have the Llama 3 running inside it. Okay, we have this application document analyzer UI app running it over here. Right now I'm sending it over here. So we have one API in the middle. I want to choose a different color. Okay, let's take a yellow one. Okay, it will give you the focus. Okay, so in this one, this is my Express JS API running on Node. Let me give it a color black. I think that will be good. Okay, fine. Now what is happening? We are sending a request from this is okay. Let me create a user also. This is a user. Okay, this is a user which we are user. Okay, from over here, user is going to the application and uploading the document. Over here, you can see upload the document. Then we have the red color line. Application sent request to app sent request to API Express JS. Till over is a normal application. You can see why I created, because it's a UI we need it somewhere. So there are the other things like if it's an agent, if you have a multiple agent, then we don't. I mean, single API, single UI can handle it. Like this API can decide it where to send it the request. Correct. Then we have further. If we go over here, yellow line, then it is sending a request to over here, talking to Ollama and send the prompt to get the summary. So let me cover it up in a black. Okay, so this is fine. Okay. Now what is happening? Ollama internally is sending a like request to this Llama 3. Ollama talking to Llama 3. Then we are getting the response, which is in a again in a green color line. Ollama returns the response from L, LLM Llama 3 and to Express JS API. We are doing it. Okay, now this again, you know that one, this API is further sending it to UI and user is able to see the application. This is a normal process, correct? So this way it is the whole high level architecture I'm telling you. I'm not going it very deep what how it is works and all that, but how our example is working and behaving, this is the whole architecture. Okay, I'll let me minimize it. Correct. So this way you have understood it, how the things are happening. Now let me run it in front of you. So let me refresh the application. You can see it is completely. So console dot log in during the demo. Fine, we can see after this one. Correct. So here is my course file. I just put it over here, but I need a summary of it. So let guys see over here. Correct. You, it will be very interesting thing. You would see it. This is a very great thing, somebody built it and we are using it, and I really thanks to that guy. Correct. So I am going over here, summarize. Okay, you can see summarize it. It started the computation. From last time to this time it has started the computation. Let me, okay, it will maximize later, but I'll bring it over here. It is computing. Llama is basically doing right now in front of you. Ollama has taken the request. We have sent it. One thing, there's a something gone wrong. uh, the Llama response is blank. Why? I need to dig inside it. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, let me first close it. Okay, uh, clear. Okay, at this moment my Ollama is not working. You guys can see that one, correct? And let me take. Okay, so I'm going back over here. Let me run Ollama serve. This is a one command. Now you can see as I pressed it over here, the data, not the data, I mean the API which I was running, it appeared, correct? Now over here, so right now I'm feeling dhak, my heartbeat is beating up because I worked on this solution. Why it is not working now? Okay, no, it will work. It. I was just kidding. So let me just drag again the course. Correct file. File is selected, and I need to console dot log demo during the recording take 99. Okay, so after this one, now you would be able to see it. Like, let me put the summary. So you can see it has taken the request. My Llama is running. It will take time, not much, but I hope it will do it quickly. It will keep running it, keep running it. Keep an eye over here. Let me put it little above. Keep an eye over here, and you can see the 200 response will be coming. That's why I was saying, like, let me just little make it a scroll up. Okay. Okay, fine. I think this is the best way. So you can see the response will be available over here in a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, I'll go to the code. Maybe I can explain you. So this is a my code editor. Okay, and I'm using the VS code, and it is nothing else, just the package.json. If I use the Axios Express, and this I mean I created this one. So this is just two things only, and behind the scene the Llama is running. Hey, congratulations guys, you can see right now the data appeared. Sorry, I was opening the code editor, but you can see right now in front of you the summary has arrived. You can see the 200 response, and you can see the summary is there, correct? This is a great, I mean, this is a great thing, like we just did it, correct? Congratulations. And you can see this is a different than the last time, correct? So if you see the above, I have the summary. I think it is same. The course is the introduction. For the introduction set by yeah, last time it is very small, but this time it is given. So if I should I ask one question? I'm afraid. So let me ask, like, uh, I'm afraid. Okay, let me do the extract the key points. I press the extract the key point, extract the key point. You can see it took the request. This time I won't do anything. The data will come in front of you. I hope it should come. I didn't try the extract the key points, but I believe at least the data will come. You would be able to see it. So let's wait. I'm hoping for the best. My fingers are crossed. So this way you are basically interacting with the Ollama. Ollama is sending a request to your Llama model. You can use other models as well. Like there's a lot of plenty of the free models available. Like so let me give you an idea. So all they are in the market, they are the competitors like AWS, like Amazon, Microsoft, Google are there. So Microsoft has a copilot, there's a semantic kernel behind the scene, and v3 is the another model for that one. And then we have a Google has a Gemini. The Gemini is, I think, 2.5 is the latest version pro, which is in the running in the market. People are saying that's very good. Correct. And then we have a Google. Hey, one minute before I say anything. You can see the key result has been appeared. Key points are like this one: the definition of AI, AI history of AI, general problem solver. Correct. You can see that one over here. right now the response is available over here. So this way you can see that we have sent a request to the Ollama had taken. So I use this UI application to showcase you, but if you have a multiple, you can build the multiple similar model and send the prompt to them, and then you can get it. So this way you can have a multi-model LLMs, correct? Okay, now back to the my last point where I was saying, like Google has a Gemini, or AWS I think Bedrock, and we have Entrop, which has a Claude 3.5, 3.2, I think that one, 3.7, sorry, not 3.2. And these are the, I mean, quite popular model. You can use it. I would like to say, like, give it a try, give it I mean, give it your chance, give use your use case, try it. I did it in front of you, I also tried it in front of you. You can also do it. If I can do it, you can also do it, correct? So I shown you how to run the Llama. This is a Ollama server, correct? And this is the website of the Ollama. You can download it. It's a pretty cool. And this is a 127 2.7 0.1 is a port number. One important thing I tell you, one, okay, let me put it in the red color. One important thing is, if your application is not connecting with the Ollama via local host, then try 127.0.0.1 colon 11434 port slash API. Okay, this way if you try, then it will work for you. And I would request, please subscribe my channel, please like the video. If you liked it, do drop your comment. Your comments are very helpful for me. They will definitely boost me. Right now I started the making the video. I'm a full-time professional developer, and started learning this new trend, guys. Frankly speaking, this age is of AI, correct? And learn it. You will be, I mean, rock the party. Okay, cool. So this way I can say I have used the Ollama and LLM, correct? Right. Okay, cool. Thank you for watching this video, and please do like, subscribe my channel, and share the video if you liked it. Please help me, and do drop your comments if you need any other video. I will be definitely creating it. And also, my I will post the uh, I will mention the repository URL in the description block, right? Okay, for